Okay. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody. My name is Abdi Malik, and you, my friend, you watch Abdi Malik Reacts. Okay. Today I'm checking out another requested video titled Light Switch Muslim Version. Muslim version? Okay, that means it's a cover, some kind of cover or whatever. Anyways, we're checking out a requested video, okay? So, welcome. It's literally almost midnight and I'm doing this. What is going on? It's okay. I enjoy doing it and I want to make sure that I put out the requests that you guys make. So, yeah. Okay. Anyways, and the thing is, wallahi, I was not expecting this when I started this channel. Like, I was not expecting any of this to happen. Like, so many of you being super supportive and you guys requesting nasheeds and introducing me to new nasheed artists. And it's just crazy to think that I started this channel and now there's so many people that are connected to it. I feel like I've made long-lasting friendships through this. Like, seriously. Yes, some of you guys are commenting, and requesting nasheeds, and we might not know each other, but I've really got the opportunity to connect with a lot of people at a more personal level, and it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Incredible, incredible. Anyways, today we're checking out, let me put it on the screen, this right here. And one other thing that is like, I've really been so educated and you guys have opened my eyes to a lot of things that I was just unaware of, in a way. Like, so many different Muslim countries that there's so many things I didn't know about. Through these reactions, I got to see them and some of you guys were very supportive and like educated me on things that I was just, to be plain, just ignorant about it, really. I'm too busy with my life and everything, and I never really thought to look into it, and I'm like, oh my God, incredible. Anyways, let's get into this one. Okay, Bismillah. Enough chitty chatting. Okay, let's go. Dawah Records. I love it. Let's get it. Okay. This is my first time, by the way, checking out this artist. So, Light Switch, Muslim version. Let's get it. Okay.
Now I'm sitting and praying for mercy. Bowing down, I'm asking for mercy.
Okay.
I say I won't go back, but I'll go right back in. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every step that I take.
Okay. Quick comment. It's hard to hear him. I don't know if it's just me and my headphones. I don't think it's my headphones. I don't think it's me. Because normally with these headphones, they're pretty good. I hear literally all the effects and stuff. With this one, it's kind of hard to really hear him with the beatboxing and the tone of it and everything, and his voice and the auto-tune and everything. It's hard to hear him. That's all I gotta say. As far as his flow, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, okay? But I'm having a hard time really hearing him. Thank God, like, he has the on-screen lyrics.
You shine my way like a light switch. When you show me a sign when I'm doing.
Hold on, is it? Oh, okay. I had it low. Let's see if that changes anything. Let's go.
That I can't deny. Every step that I take, I swear it's for you. You shine my way like a light switch. When you show me a sign.
Now I can hear him.
Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me turn to you. Shine my way like a light switch. When you show me
okay, I love the flow. I love the flow, by the way. When he's singing like this, I can hear clearly. But with the beatboxing, I feel like the beatboxing is just a little, almost at the same level as his voice, or a little higher, which makes it hard to really hear him clearly. That's the only thing I have to say so far.
So I can't lose hope, but you got my back, oh. Now I'm sitting and praying for mercy. Bowing down, I'm begging for mercy.
my God. I love this. Like this part is hard to hear him. I love it, but I can't hear him as much. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Switch.
When you show me a sign when I'm doing wrong, now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me turn to you.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Okay. Give it up to him. MashaAllah. Like a light switch. No. I loved it. I loved his flow though. It was beautiful. I think that was the only negative. Well, not negative. I hope he doesn't take it as a negative thing. But that was the only thing that I noticed is that part I just could not hear him clearly because the vocals or the beatboxing in the background was just a little too loud for me to hear his voice clearly. Other than that, I loved it. And with that being said, I'm going to subscribe because I think there's real potential there for me to enjoy his other work. This one, that's the only thing I have to say. But if he has other work, I am definitely going to check it out. So with that being said, I'm going to subscribe to him. And I think you guys should give him a chance. Okay? I really think you guys should definitely go check him out, subscribe to him if you like it. If you don't like it, then there's no harsh feelings, you know? Anyways, I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for requesting this one. And yeah, consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And go check out this brother. The original video will be in the description of this video. So go give it a chance. Listen to it again. Maybe you might enjoy it and you might be able to hear him clearly better than I did. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next one. Assalamu alaikum. Like a light switch. I loved his flow. I have to say that. I loved his flow and he has, mashallah, beautiful voice. So yeah, it might just be this one. I'm definitely going to check out another one. Yeah. Okay, inshallah.